is a very important day and a big milestone for Nikola. And I think everybody can be so proud because what we actually have done is we put everything together in this world-class truck. And now it's ready and we start delivering to customers.
If you take a look at this picture, this is what we're doing. Right now, our facility, we can build 5 trucks a shift, 10 trucks a day. We're working 1 shift right now. That's our capability out of this facility.
This building in Coolidge, about a year from groundbreaking to actually starting to operate in this facility, and we're actually producing series trucks that we're going to be shipping to customers in Q2. It just demonstrates the mindset that we have to not only achieve that vision, but to accelerate our path to getting there.
Yeah, so I think these first customers are they're the first ones to believe in what we're doing, right? They're the first customers that really, truly want to start changing the world with us.
Thanks for having me.
What's happening here at Nikola is incredible in terms of the entrepreneurial energy, the innovation, and you're seeing a vision come to life right before your eyes. It's a great day for Arizona. It's going to be a great day for the marketplace. This was dirt a year ago, and today there's a full-fledged factory. And I think the credit has got to go to Nikola, its engineers, and the hardworking employees of Arizona. We committed to government at the speed of business. The state government removed the obstacles, and you've created the magic that's happening here today.
Good morning and welcome. This is a great and historic day for all of us at Nikola and for all of us in the community, all of our stakeholders, our customers, our suppliers. It's nothing short of astounding that we have come this far.
We're where we are today as fast as anybody could do this. We have a team, the manufacturing team that sits behind you there. We're the best in the business. We're going to make you all proud for being part of this adventure that we're on. This is an important milestone for us, and it's great that we share it with the media, the government folks, the people who helped us get here. But it's also critically important that we share it with the people who are really, truly doing the work. This is a team effort. It's a team sport. And without the guys that are on the line every day building the truck, we wouldn't be here.
It's real teamwork. If all the parts come together, all the elements, then you have a world-class truck. And I think this is exactly what is happening now.
It takes a village, it really does. Not one individual, not one function can make something like this happen. Whether it's building one truck or building and deploying thousands of trucks and an energy ecosystem to support it.
Good morning.
Hey, how are you?
I'm well. How are you?
Ducey, nice to see you.
Nice to meet you.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Ryan. So we are going to want to use seatbelts.
Man, it's spacious.
Oh, it is. It absolutely is. So I heard you were going to drive. Is that accurate?
Well, if you guys will let me drive, I'll drive.
Oh, I'll absolutely let you drive. We have the course set up. Let you run through the course. This way you get a full immersive experience in the vehicle.
All right.
So just feel free. Just stand up. Come over here. I'll come around the other
You got
side.
it. Thank you, Ryan.
So it's as simple as removing your foot from the brake pedal and pressing the accelerator pedal. So what we'll do is we'll stay in this left lane here. Just get yourself acclimated. Feel the way it steers, feel the way it brakes, feel the way it accelerates. We're just gonna follow this all the way around. As we come to the end of the skid pad, we'll make that first available right. As we enter into this road, you're gonna see the lanes. Let's make sure we stay into the right lane.
Okay. Wow.
And then follow it around,
Oh
splitting
gosh.
those 2 cones. And then entering back into the right lane of that straightaway again.
Okay, can I open it up a
Yep.
little here?
Okay, so with our foot hard on the brake, pull the yellow, that puts us back into park. And it's as easy as that.
Wow.
Simple.
Thank you, Ryan.
Oh, my pleasure.
You're a heck of an instructor.
Thank you for coming down. We appreciate your time.
My pleasure. Really, really impressive.
Thank you.
How we doing? Wow, what a ride. What a ride. It is so easy to drive the vehicle. I mean, this is a major commercial truck, but it's the ease of driving a golf cart. I think people are going to have to see these and experience it to really understand what's possible with technology and innovation.
Oh, very quiet.
Gary, yes, that's usually the first thing everyone says.
Oh, so quiet, very quiet.
60 miles an hour right there.
Wow, unbelievable.
And this is all reset. I'm not actually touching the brakes.
Really?
Yep. That's our cul-de-sac maneuver. No, there's no truck that can do that. There's very few actual small passenger cars that can do that.
This is still just the beginning. A year from now, we'll be doing another celebration like this when we introduce the fuel cell truck. And we'll look back and say, look what we did in the past year. So it's just the beginning.